I want agent mode to add my tests from my collections into my CI/CD pipeline in GitHub so that they run on every single pull request. So agent mode is going to generate a GitHub Actions workflow YAML file that runs in my repo. And I want agent mode to commit this directly to my repository. So the GitHub Actions workflow has been created and committed to my GitHub repo. This is the workflow file. So if I click on that, we can see this YAML file that agent mode has generated. So now we have to test this to make sure it works. So let's create a new pull request and a new branch that deprecates one of our endpoints. Agent mode generated a GitHub Actions workflow YAML that runs all of our tests from our collection using the Postman CLI inside of GitHub on every single pull request.